can't hear you.
I said you can be right there, it's totally fine, but we're throwing up tape in this area.
Okay.
You can't come in this area.
Gotcha. Right in here?
No, right here. And you're in the right area. I'll tell you.
Gotcha.
You're in the right area. So, not trying to screw you over, just so you know.
Okay.
But we're in the middle of an operation right now.
Alright, so I'm in the right area?
No, if you stay right on this side of it, you're good. You were in the right area.
Okay.
Just hang tight. You don't know what to do.
Hang on, man. Signal coming.
It's something to do with this bridge. This bridge right here. They have officers at the other end over there. You can see the lights.
What's going on over there?
I don't know. Oh my god, it's Magana. Oh my god, it's Magana. Negative contact. Damn, I was hoping they fired you, man. Shit.
It's on El Capitan. Capitan at Church Off. He just ran towards the street.
Dispatch copies, they just ran towards the street.
So they're in hot pursuit of somebody.
The street now.
Oh, he's running.
Copy, you just jumped the fence into the street now.
Oh, shit. Oh, damn. They ain't catching that fool. They ain't catching that dude.
78, I got him at gunpoint across the creek.
Across the creek.
78, 1 at gunpoint, code 33 on green.
Headed east to the creek. I don't know what street that is.
Copy, heading east in the creek.
Possibly lost us still.
I copied, possibly lost the suspect, nothing further.
And point steady on the footpath.
And copy, point steady on the footpath.
1040, you have an ETA for H70?
We'll check.
Might be down there. There's so many places to hide over here. She was asking for a description.
We live in the neighborhood.
These are the white ones, maybe 107 pounds, no shirt, blonde hair. He's wearing like should be very light.
That's our CHP helicopter up there, right?
Hey,
What's going on?
I'm glad we had it. Well, we're just looking for This guy that we've been looking for a while.
Look for a while, do you know?
He's a parole, yeah.
Oh, pro at large. Okay.
Oh, that's probably what was going on the other day by the bridge. Maybe.
Which one?
Like 2 days ago by the,
Yes.
on Broad? Yeah.
What's the description in case you see him in the neighborhood?
White male, like 5'8", 5'9", 170 pounds maybe. No shirt.
He's like the Flash. I saw that dude run, man. He's fast.
I almost had him in the creek, but
Violent stuff?
So it looks like there's somebody on the roof. Got a bunch of cops in the road.
Yeah, you can come up to the back of the car if you want.
Thank you.